This is Fishing Britain News. The classic fishing festival is underway in Fermanagh. The 39th annual competition has more than 200 entries angling for the title of King of the Erne. This year's prize fund is worth more than £20,000. It's sponsored by Waterways Ireland and Daiwa. Japan's traditional ukai cormorant fishing season has opened. It takes place on the Nagara-gawa River with a flotilla of spectators nearby to witness the spectacle. The fishing method using the trained birds dates back some 1,300 years. Under the technique, skilled fishermen known as usho, using lit torches attached to the front of their boats, encourage the cormorants to catch fish in their long beaks, and they're attracted by the lights and by the shouts of ho ho. Crucian carp are on the decline, and the Angling Trust wants to do something about it. It's launching a national crucian conservation project to promote the conservation of the species and its habitat. It's doing it at this year's Coarse Fish Conference, held on the 28th of May at the South Street Arts Centre in Reading, Berkshire. Visit the Angling Trust website for more. The European Commission wants to stop all types of drift netting in all EU waters by the beginning of next year. Although rules are already in place to forbid using drift nets to catch certain migratory fish, the practice continues to be a cause of concern due to the incidental catching of marine mammals, sea turtles and seabirds, which are mostly protected under EU legislation. And finally, commercial fishermen have caught two unusual deep sea sharks in the last week. They netted a rare megamouth shark off the coast of Shizuoka in Japan, in what is thought to be only the 58th sighting ever of the deep water animal. The female shark was caught at a depth of 2,600 feet and weighed close to 1,500 pounds. Meanwhile, shrimpers fishing in the Gulf of Mexico pulled up an 18-foot goblin shark from 2,000 feet of water. You are now up to date with Fishing Britain News. Fishing for facts, landing the stories.